for those out there that don't know, what treatment did you actually have done?
Mm-hmm. Well, I had over 20 teeth changed. So a combination of crowns, a crown replacement, partial crowns, and some contouring.
Mm-hmm.
So quite significant, and honestly probably more extensive than I originally thought that I needed. But after understanding, like both the problems with the amount of erosion that was there, and also with realizing the extent of my smile, realized that like this was very important to have a more comprehensive solution, and this was the time to do it. Also, I think what made a huge difference is by having the simulation that Dr. Bulger was able to like present to me, and also the temporary caps. So that gave me like a full idea of what it would be like if I did like the complete treatment, and wow.
So it basically giving you an opportunity to see what it's going to look like before it actually goes in your mouth.
Yes, and that what that does also is reduce the anxiety, because of course when somebody suggests such an extensive like procedure and change to you, you're a little leery about like, okay, so how is it going to look like in total when it's all done, and especially if we're talking about correcting bite and so on. And by being able to have like that temporary solution in my mouth for a couple of weeks, like to actually see and feel what it would look like, and to get all the oohs and ahs from everybody, it was that did it. I thought like, I know what I'm getting, and this is definitely like the right investment.
So what would you say, how could you explain to us how you feel about your smile today?
I think like of all the changes that you can do, I think like to your face and to your approach like to people, like your smile has got to be like number one. If you only do one thing, I think like having a nice bright white and like comfortable smile, natural looking smile, is probably the best. It is definitely the best thing. And what I like too is that I didn't want a generic solution. I wanted something that was customized to my look. I wanted something that was very natural, and I was very pleased that we could use the latest technology in crowns with more translucence, so that the natural look of the teeth and the contouring of the teeth look natural. So I'm just still, I say after 10 months I'm still ecstatic.
That's excellent.